Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I want to show you guys some more of my handmade wire jewelry and a few products I got in the mail. These are my nails from the dollar store. They're gold, shiny, leopard looking pattern. I really like them, they're cute. Let me know what you think down below. Hit that like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get started. Alright, here I got some pendants that I made. I wire wrapped them. I'm not too great at this, but it's not bad. I like them. It's just a pink stone with the copper wire and the little Swarovski looking crystal on the top there. I don't have it hung on a chain. It'd be a lot easier to see that way, but that's one. Not too bad. There's another one here that's green with the silver wire wrapping. A little bit messy, but the stone is not perfectly cut. I just swirled it at the top there. So there's two pinks. Sorry, yeah, two pinks, a green, and another. Here's a pink here. It's a lot smaller one. This time I tried to use an earring wire, a thicker wire. It kind of made it more steady, but it was hard to do. See how the loop turned out? It's not very professional, that's for sure, but it's not that bad. I can fix that up. But I do like that stone the most out of those three. Although I do like the green one a lot. It's just a little bit uneven. I took the Swarovski stone and I wrapped this with the same copper wire. Let me know what you think down below. Maybe a little bit shorter next time. Or a silver wire. It still looks good. I like the way it looks. I believe this is a 24, 26 gauge wire. For the rings, I use 20 gauge most of the time, or 19. And I got another pair of Swarovski earrings here that I quickly made. Let me just hold them properly so you can see. Is that the back or the front? Oh, there's the front. I made a few pairs of these already a while back. If you watch my videos, you can see. I really like all the shine and sparkle and the colors in there. It's nice. There's the pair there. Really purpley, pink, yellow. See all those colors? Nice. And I made some rings. Here is well, I'm wearing one from last time. This one. I'll take that off. I'll show you the ones that I just made. It's a 20 gauge gold wire. I'll put that on quick so you can see. That's about a size, I'd say 8.5, maybe 9. And then there's this one here. I mixed the stones. Oh no, sorry, I didn't mix them. I meant to say I put several stones. There's 7 there, I believe. And I wrapped it 3. I wanted 3 wired. Oh, that's tight there. It's like a pinky. It's a size 6. About a 6. So if you have smaller fingers, it'll fit you. That's like a grayish, silverish type stones. I've used those for earrings and a few other things already. And here's a pink stone. This is a strawberry quartz. Probably better if I don't wear this, but just showing you what it looks like on. That's about a 9.5. It's a little bit loose on that finger. Let's push these over. And here's a necklace that I made with the larger loops, and I put 3 loops in between. Those are, I believe, split rings. And I made a longer piece here. It's like an extended piece. So you can make it longer, or you can make it like a choker if you want. But I also put this to go to the front of your neck. So that could be like a pendant, and it could be the way to put it on. So you just connect it like that. I'll lay that out here so you can see it better. So it'd be connected from the front here, front of your neck. So it has, like, you know, some design in the front. Instead of putting a pendant, you could put a pendant if you want. Just hang a pendant like that. Might look better. But I like it like this. That's the way I made it. And the clasp is over here. That's another clasp. But it's also, to me, it's more than a clasp. It could be, you know, a decoration, because the way it's like so shiny and pretty. Let's see if it's picking it up. Yep, the clasp is right here. It's gold. Gold tone. Move that there. Let's show you the rest here. Some bracelets I've been wearing. This one's gold and silver with the silver ones in between, little tiny 4mm. I really like these because they're so thin, dainty. I'll put that on my wrist so you can see, get an idea. So I'm wearing that flowered bracelet that I really like. But I really like this too because it's smaller, thin. There's another one I made. That's all gold. It's blurry right now. There we go. So I'm thinking about doing different patterns now because I want to do like maybe a big, medium, small, like instead of just doing the like really small and larger, small, larger. There's different patterns I made before where I put like 2 or 3, like the necklace here. But yeah, this one's, I really like this one. The gold. The small gold one. It's thin. I like it. Let me know what you think down below, if you like it or not. And this is a Amazon necklace I got. Came from Amazon. It's a paper clip with a lock. This is supposed to be gold plated. Hopefully it doesn't tarnish. I added a little bit of an extender that I made on my own. It's a little bit different color than this, but I needed it a little bit longer. I wanted it longer because it's a little bit short. So yeah, that's Amazon. And when I received that, it came in this. I should have told you that before, but I'm telling you now. It was inside this. And I hear the cat. Yeah. It's a nice necklace. I think it's cute. It's pretty. It was either gold or silver. Of course, I've been liking gold a lot lately. Oh, cat scared me for a second. You're so cute. And I had to get some nails, so I grabbed them at the store the other day. Figured I'd show you guys the holographic look here. I like that. Yep, those are the press-on ones. You just peel the back and press them. I was looking for a name, but there's no name, the color. That comes with 30. No glue needed. No stickies like I usually do. It shows everything there. Well, that is everything for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Gals. Guys and gals. Okay, let me show you again like this. Cool. There's like a shadow. Hit that like, subscribe, comment, and take it easy. I'll see you next time. Oh, look, a match. Gold. Bye, guys.